Hello, my dear students. Welcome to another episode of JEE Advanced Discussion PYQs. Now we discuss one question from inverse trigonometry, JEE Advanced 2019. Question is that sec inverse of 1 by 4 sigma k is equal to 0 to 10. Sec 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 into sec 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 pi by 2 in the interval minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 is equal to. We simplify this term inside the bracket. Here sigma k is equal to 0 to 10. We convert this sec into 1 by cos and split this one term minus another term. When you substitute k is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. and add this, similar term become cancel. Only two terms are remaining. That's simple. That's a method here we use. Now we start. I write the term inside the bracket. Sec is written as 1 by cos 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 12 into cos 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 into pi by 2. I write sec as 1 by cos. How we simplify this? Take these two angles. There is a similarity. I take this as x, this as y. What is the difference between these two angles? One is 7 pi by 12 plus this take as x, this take as y. I write y minus x is equal to this term I split as k pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by not 12, it is k pi by 2. Not 12, it is k pi by 2. See, when we subtract these are cancelled, these are cancelled. There is only pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay. So I simply write this numerator as sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. 1 becomes sin pi by 2. Again I change this sin pi by 2 into this form. This simplify, we get pi by 2. Then I rearrange this pi by 2 as what? First term is this. That is 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 into pi by 2 minus 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2. Okay, this is a single term, this is another term. Then we expand using the identity x, y, sin x minus y, sin of x minus y is equal to what? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, which is equal to sin sin 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 into pi by 2 sin x cos y into cos 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 minus sin x cos y minus cos x sin y cos 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 into pi by 2 into sin 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 divided by this denominator. We split this denominator. Cos of 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 into cos of 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 into pi by 2. Same thing right here. Cos 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2 into cos of 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 into and so on. Same thing. Then what happened? Cos 7 pi by 12 and k pi by 2 is cancelled. Here cos 7 pi by 12 and this term is cancelled. Remaining it become sin of this by cos of this, that is tan of what? Tan of 7 pi by 12 plus k plus 1 into pi by 2 minus this term became cancelled, sin by cos, again tan 7 pi by 12 plus k pi by 2. Then applying sigma here. Sigma from k is equal to 0 to 10. Sigma k is equal to 0 to 10. What happened? Sigma k is equal to 0 to 10. Put k is equal to 0. Tan 7 pi by 12 plus pi by 2 7 pi by 12 plus pi by 2 minus tan 7 pi by 12 only k is equal to 0 plus next type k is equal to 1 tan 7 pi by 12 plus 2 pi by 2 pi by 2 minus tan 7 pi by 12 plus pi by 2. Next time tan k is equal to 2 7 pi by 12 plus 3 pi by 2 minus tan 7 pi by 12 plus 2 pi by 2 goes such a way. Finally we write k is equal to 10 tan. When we put k is equal to 10, what happened? 7 pi by 12 plus k is equal to 10 11 pi by 2 minus tan 7 pi by 12 plus 10 pi by 2. See, adding this term cancelled, this term cancelled, this term cancelled, this term cancelled. Okay, only 2 terms are remaining. This technique we used many questions, many JEE mains and JEE advanced questions in inverse trigonometric functions. See, only these 2 terms are remaining. One is this, another is this. So tan 7 pi by 12 plus 11 pi by 2 minus tan 7 pi by 12. This term remaining. Simplify this. How we simplify it? I write this 7 pi by 12 as 7 pi by 12 become 6 pi plus pi by 12. It become pi by 2 plus pi by 12. So this term become pi by 2 plus pi by 12. Pi by 2 plus pi by 12. Pi by 12 plus 11 pi by 12. So, yes. This pi by 2 plus 11 pi by 2. Tan of this term become 11 pi by 2. 6 pi by 12 is pi by 2 plus pi by 12 plus 11 pi by 2, not pi by 12, 11 pi by 2. Tan of pi by 2 plus pi by 12 plus, it become pi by 2 plus 11 pi by 2 plus pi by 12 minus tan 7 pi by 12. Okay, this become pi by 2 plus this 11 pi by 12, pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Tan of this become pi by 2 plus 11 pi by 2 is 12 pi by 2, that is 6 pi plus pi by 12 minus tan 7 pi by 12. Tan 7 pi by 12. Tan 6 pi plus pi by 12. We write same function. Tan pi by 12. Am I correct? 6 pi plus pi by 12. See, this become 2 pi, again 4 pi, again 6 pi plus pi by 12. That's one. First quadrant, it is positive. This term I written as six pi plus pi by 12. What happened? Tan pi by 2 plus pi by 12. So this become cot pi by 12. Tan 90 minus theta. Sorry, tan 90 plus theta. It is plus cot theta. Plus cot. 90 plus lies on second quadrant. Second quadrant, tan is negative. Minus, it become positive. Then these two angles become same. This tan pi by 12 is written as sin pi by 12 by cos pi by 12. This can be written as cos pi by 12 by sin pi by 12. Take this as LCM. Cross multiply this. Sin square pi by 12 plus cos square pi by 12, that is 1. Cross multiply this. Here. Sin into sin, sin square. Cos into cos, cos square. The angle becomes same. Sin pi by 12 into cos pi by 12 is same. Then I multiply both the numerator and the denominator 2. Then it becomes 2 by 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So it becomes sin 2 into pi by 12 sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. Sin 2 theta, sin 2 into pi by 12. 2, 12 cancel, becomes 6. Is equal to what? Equal to 2 by 1 by 2. So become 4. It become 4. See, we simplify the terms inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, finally we reach, it become this term is 4. So our question is sec inverse of 1 by 4 into 4, which is equal to sec inverse of 1. 4 cancel. Sec inverse 1. What is sec inverse 1? Sec inverse 1 is 0. Why? Sec 0 is equal to 1. Cos 0 is 1, also sec 0 is 1. So sec inverse 1 become 0. The value of this function in this interval is 0. Okay, thank you.